Tia here with Mastering Pop, and today I'm going to show you how I'm going to rank one of my keyword phrases on the first page of Google. Hey everyone, I'm Tia Jones, and I'm the founder of digital marketing and SEO agency Mastering Pop, which is mastering profitability over popularity. I'm also the creator of the no-fail Mastering Ecom Workflow Bundle, which is a digital marketing course that's available right now. Today I'm going to show you how I'm going to push one of my keyword phrases to the first page of Google, and I'm going to show you the tools that I use to determine which keyword phrase I want to work on. But before I do that, if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please do so, and don't forget to click the notification bell so that you're notified every time I upload a new video. I create videos on things you can implement to level up your e-commerce game. If you want to become a top-performing e-commerce merchant making 6, 7, 8+ figures, then you definitely want to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Again, today I'm going to show you how I'm going to push one of my keyword phrases to the first page of Google, and I'm going to use my paid tool of choice, SEMRush. So you need to have an account. I believe I pay $149 a month, right? And so as soon as I log in, I'm going to just dive right in. So I'm going to type in my domain, Flower Power Packages. And I'm going to work on the low-hanging fruit. What is a low-hanging fruit? Did I type in the wrong domain? Seriously? Flower Power Packages. Here, let's just do that. Boom. Low-hanging fruit is keyword phrases that are on the second page of Google that have a decent search volume. I'm going to focus on that. So keyword phrases that are on page 2. So that's number 11 through 20. You're ranking number 11 through 20. All right, so okay, people have said to me, why are you sharing your website? Why do you share your website and all the information? I'm one of those that believe that there's enough room for all of us, and this is not classified top secret information. So you can use this tool as well and look at how your competitors are doing. You can see their authority score. You can see their organic search traffic. You can see how many keywords are driving traffic to their website. You can see their backlinks, the referring domains, which are the external sites. You can see it. Obviously, I'm not doing anything paid, right? I am running some shopping campaigns, but okay. So I just searched my domain, and what I'm going to do next is I'm going to click on organic search traffic. Remember, my site's a year and change old, so I am working on increasing the amount of keywords that are driving traffic to my website, and I'm working on trying to rank pages just like you guys. So honestly, having a page authority score of 32 is actually pretty good, and the amount of keywords is pretty good. And the backlinks, the referring domains, this is it's pretty good. Okay, so here we go again. Again, I'm going to filter the low-hanging fruit. I want to only look at the keywords that are on page 2 of Google right now. So I'm going to go to positions. Are we in positions? All right, so, and we're going to filter 11 through 20. Yeah, 11 through 20. All right, so it's pulling everything up, and we're going to look for concentrate packaging. So for me, I'm just going to do a control find. So before I do that, you can see these are all the keyword phrases that are on the second page of Google. Clipper lighter, looks like I'm number 15 right now, and this has a great search volume. So you would think that I would want to focus on this, and I will circle back to this for sure next week. But I want to focus on my packaging. That's the money makers, the packaging, the customizations, getting customers, the dispensaries and the growers, the cultivators to keep coming back, I'm going to focus on packaging. So concentrate packaging says that we're number 13. Remember, I mentioned in one of my other videos that I also want to rank for dispensary supplies. Now you can see like the search volume is not, it's not high, but it's okay. I want to be on the first page for these phrases, but we're going to work on concentrate packaging today. So it says that I'm number 13, but I'm just going to double check this incognito. So I just want to make sure. So concentrate, okay, boom, it comes up. Okay, perfect. So this is the first page of Google. Remember, SEMRush is telling me that I'm on page 2, so I'm to page 2. Doesn't look like I'm number 13. Looks like I'm number 15, and that's okay. So concentrate packaging containers. This is my phrase right here. I repeat it again here. Concentrate containers are non-stick containers to store wax, shatter, hash, all this other good stuff. Okay, so we're number 15. So that's good. I'm okay with that. So now we're going to go back to concentrate packaging, number 13. Search volume is 480. We're going to open up the page that is ranking, which should be the concentrate packaging containers page, right? I'm going to go back to SEMrush. I'm going to scroll up and go to pages. All right, so I am going to pages because I want to see, I would like to see how many backlinks this page has, right? And the reason why is because how I'm going to try to push this to the first page of Google is I'm going to find a page that has a little bit more authority, that has more backlinks, and I'm going to link that page to this page. So I went to pages here in SEMrush so that I can see, okay, how many backlinks does this have? Okay, it has 2 backlinks. All right, so now I'm going to use another tool called Moz to show me the top pages on my website, because the top pages it'll tell me, okay, you can use this page and this page to link to this page, because I want to see their page authority. I want to see how many backlinks they have. I want to make sure that I'm linking a page that has a little bit more juice to this page, concentrate packaging, right? So back to this, 2 backlinks. And now we're going to dive into Moz. Let me go to Moz. All right, so Moz has a lot of free tools, and that's what we're going to use. But I do have an account with them, but I don't have a paid account. You have to create an account to use their tools. So I'm going to use their tool, Link Explorer, and I'm going to search my domain, flower. Oh, comes up perfect. Boom. Analyze. The great thing about Moz is that it shows you a lot. It'll show you your domain authority, page authority, linking domains, which is a good thing. All right, so we are trying to see which pages on the website have a decent authority, right? So of course, the home page, and then what is this? Marijuana packaging contact page. Okay, so I'm gonna link the marijuana packaging page. Let's see. Yeah, I'm gonna link the marijuana packaging page. I'm also gonna check this page in SEMrush just to double and triple check, because that's just how I am. But let's do the linking really quick. How about that? So I'm going to log into my website and go to this page in particular. This is the marijuana packaging page, as you can see right here, right? And this is the content. Here's my H1. Here's my H2. to my H3. Here are other keywords that are linking to other pages. So I want to find concentrate packaging on this page if I have it. And if I don't have it, then I will make sure to include it. I will add it. Let's see, cannabis packaging is harvested account. Okay, no, I don't see it. Farm power packages covered you, has you covered. Browse our large selection. Find small proof of right here, concentrate packaging. So I'm going to highlight this because I'm going to link it to this page. I want it to open in a new window if someone clicks on it. I'm going to go ahead and bold it. All right, I'm going to hit save. And you know what? I'm even going to test this out. I'm going to take it a step further. So typically I would link this to concentrate packaging to the concentrate packaging page, right? Let me just show you. So this is the marijuana page. Oh, no, it isn't. Let me go to the marijuana page. Marijuana packaging page is this page. So we've highlighted concentrate packaging, right? So here it is. What I would do next is I would take this URL and I would submit it to Google. I would say, Google, come crawl this page. I just made an update on it and I want you to crawl it. But before I do that, I'm all about A/B testing. I A/B test every day, all day. If I leave this house and I'm going to get my car washed, I will take a different route. I'm just a professional A/B tester. So I'm going to include a YouTube video that is not my direct competitor. Let's try it. Let's just see what happens. But what's really important is that I am linking this page to this page, but I'm taking it a step further and I'm going to add a YouTube video. Let's just try it. Let's just try it. So we're going to go to YouTube and we're going to find someone who's not our direct competitor that's showcasing concentrate packaging. So concentrate packaging. So let's see, what do we have? The top concentrate packaging for 2021. Nope, because that's probably someone that is selling packaging. Best concentrate packaging. No. Concentrates, what's the difference? See, this is the packaging that I sell. Would I use this one? And I want to find a video that has at least, it needs to have more than 2,500 views. So let's see, 15 everyday uses for concentrate containers. No. Whoops, packaging videos, sort of. It's got 3K views. Sorry guys, we finished all the shatter and working through packaging. Working through packaging, the battery probably isn't going to be, what is this? Let's look at this one. So video may be inappropriate for some users, okay. Did I click on this? Yeah, okay, it's just slow.
Hey, what's up guys? So, this is me turning on the camera during packaging. I sort of forgot.
The 710 extractionist. Okay, so I just want to check out their other videos really quick. How to keep your quartz, VHA processing. What about crumble? All right, so this doesn't look like it would be a direct competitor. So we're gonna just try it out. We're just gonna try it. We're gonna add a YouTube video. Oh, wonderful. That's wonderful. So we refresh that. All right, so let's see if we can backspace it again. We're gonna just grab there and we're gonna embed.
Hey, what's up guys? So, this is me turning.
All right, so we're gonna embed the code, right? Embed. We're gonna copy it. And we're gonna go back here. And then we're going to refresh this page. So after I refresh this page, this is when I would take the URL and submit it to Google. So let's see if it shows up. I don't see it. Let's do this again. Refresh. Hard refresh. How about that? All right, so there's the video, right? The video is now here. We've added the link concentrate packaging, and again, I would take this URL and submit it to Google. I have a video that shows you how to submit URLs to Google, and that's it. That's really it. So I used SEMRush to filter positions, right? I filtered positions 11 through 20. Once I decided which keyword phrase I was going to try that I want to work on, which was concentrate packaging, I then said, okay, I'm going to work on concentrate packaging. I went over to Moz and I used their free tool, which is Link Explorer. I searched my domain and I just wanted to see the high authority sites or pages on my website. And you can use SEMrush to do this as well. So I just wanted to show you a free tool that's available, which is Moz. But that's it. We will circle back. I'm going to take note of this and I will circle back, I'm going to say in a week or two, to see how this page is doing. And I will let you guys know. All right, I hope that made sense. And if you have any questions, just leave a comment below. And I really hope you found value in this video. Again, I'm Tia Jones. I am the creator of the No Fail Mastering Ecom Workflow Bundle. You can, I actually have a free ebook that's out right now called the No Fail Getting More Repeat Customers, the No Fail Get More Repeat Customer System. Sorry, I'll write it below. But yeah, thank you so much for watching.